Welcome sa E-SKUL ng Bayan. Andito ako para samahan kayong mag-review. Tara, aral!
So, when we are dividing polynomials, may dalawa tayong methods. One is the log division method. Ito yung mas applicable sa lahat. And then yung synthetic division method, kapag ang ating divisor o ang ating denominator is a linear equation. So, a linear expression. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Yung mga x minus 1, kaya 4x plus 2, etc. Okay? Pero bago tayo magkaya ng examples, when we are dividing polynomials, sa solution natin, dapat quote-unquote, kino-complete natin yung polynomial. So, kapag meron kang missing terms, yung coefficient nun will just be 0. Para yung value ng buong term is essentially equal lang, wala din siya, or 0. So, for example, if you have ax squared plus bx plus c, okay? Yan yung complete terms mo. Highest degree mo is 2. So, pabawas ng pabawas. X squared, may iwan ka with x raised to 1, then x raised to 0. So, kaya ito x, kasi x raised to 1, x raised to 0 is just equal to 1. Kaya, yun yung iyong constant. So, ganun din kapag degree 3 yung highest degree mo ng polynomial, and so on. Nakuha naman to, di ba? Paliit ng paliit yung exponent ng x. Okay? So, for example, if we have this one, kunwari ito yung given, itong nasa taas, negative 4x raised to 4 plus 3x squared minus x plus 12, ang missing term natin dito would be x cubed. So, kapag nagsosolve tayo, mag-a-add tayo ng plus 0x cubed. Valid to kasi essentially ang value ng 0x cubed is just 0. How about this one? Ano ang missing term natin? Wala tayo ng x raised to 4, x cubed, and x. So, kaya lalagyan natin ng 0x raised to 4, 0x raised to 3, and 0x. Okay? So, ito, gagawin na natin ng both methods para makikita nyo. So, one, we have x squared minus 2x minus 15 divided by x plus 3. Okay? So, to do long division method, so nasa loob, x squared minus 2x minus 15. Okay? So again, may nakalimutan ako i-point out, guys. Kailangan nyo din i-rearrange yung both dividend and divisor nyo in descending order. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Yung may pinakamataas na degree, term with the highest degree, siya yung mauuna. Tapos paliit ng paliit. Degree 2, degree 1, degree 0. Degree 1, degree 0. Okay? So, dapat descending order sila. Okay? So, here we have x squared minus 2x minus 15. Wala naman tayong missing term. So, wala tayong i-add. Okay? Divided by x plus 3. So, ang gagawin lang dito is, titingnan mo lang, when you are dividing, yung tinitingnan mo lang is yung first term ng dinedivide mo and yung first term ng divisor mo. So, what do I mean by that? Ito. X squared divided by x. The answer is x. But instead of writing it here, since dalawa yung terms natin, dito natin siya sa pangalawa, ipapantay. So, we have x. So, kung nakita nyo, yung dinivide ko lang is yung first term divided by the first term. But, kapag nagmumultiply ka na nito by the divisor, imumultiply mo siya sa pareho. Okay? Common error, minsan x squared lang yung minumultiply. So, here, x times x, that's equal to x squared. X times 3, that's equal to 3x. Okay? So, again, paano tayo nagde-divide? Sinasubtract tapos to. Okay? So, huwag kalimutan. Kaya may parenthesis dyan, ibig sabihin, yung negative, i-distribute sa dalawa. Okay? X squared minus x squared, that's equal to 0. Negative 2x minus 3x. So, answer is negative 5x. Ibaba natin to. Okay, first term divided by first term, negative 5x divided by x, the answer is negative 5. Okay, so negative 5, yan yung i-multiply natin ha, baka 5 lang i-multiply nyo. So negative 5 times x plus 3, the answer would be negative 5x, negative 5 times 3, negative 15. Okay, so subtract, since pareho lang sila, 0 na to, ito rin, 0. Okay, so wala tayong remainder. So our answer here is x minus 5. Okay? Paano naman kapag synthetic division? Kapag synthetic division, kukunin lang natin yung coefficients natin. Okay? So, coefficient ng x squared, it's 1. Coefficient ng x, it's negative 2. Coefficient, constant, negative 15. Okay? Or coefficient ng x raised to 0. And then, ano yung magiging divisor natin? To get our divisor, etong ating actual divisor, i-equate lang natin to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to, subtract 3 on both sides, negative 3. Okay? Yan yung isusulat natin dito. Yung first term dito, ibababa lang natin. 1. Okay? And then this one times this one. 1 times negative 3, dito natin ilalagay, negative 3. Add lang sila, negative 2 plus negative 3, that's equal to negative 5. Negative 5 times negative 3, that's equal to positive, dito mo ilalagay, positive 15. Add lang sila, that's equal to 0. Okay, now, anong ibig sabihin ng mga values dito? Yung last term would be your remainder. Tapos, gawin natin siya papunta dito, pa left. This is our remainder. Ito yung constant, and then ito yung x raised to 1. So, kung meron ka pang ibang terms dyan, meron kang x raised to 2, x raised to 3, and so on. But in this case, dalawa lang yung terms natin dito. So, our constant here would be negative 5. And then, yung x natin, ang coefficient niya is 1. Okay? Bale, ito yung mga coefficient niya, kung ano man yung magiging value dito sa taas. Okay? Kung meron man dito, yan yung mga magiging coefficient. But in this case, ito lang. So, our answer here is x minus 5. Okay? So, pareho lang yung sagot. So, may nagtanong, pwede daw bang i-factor out? Pwede na bang i-factor out sabay cancel out na lang po sa division of polynomials? Yes, of course. But the reason why we're not doing that right now is dahil ang assumption ko is merong hindi marunong. Okay? I mean kasi based sa flow ng discussion. So, hindi pa natin dinidiscuss yung factoring. So, for now, in dividing polynomials, hindi tayo nag-factor out and cancel. May limit po ba ang paggamit ng synthetic division? Yes, okay? Ulit, long division yung mas general na approach. Kasi pwede doon kahit quadratic yung expression mo. Ibig sabihin may x squared ka, o kaya kahit may x cubed ka. Okay? Pagdating kasi sa synthetic division, mag-work lang siya kapag yung iyong divisor, sorry, kanina I was also referring sa divisor. Pagdating sa synthetic division mo, mag-work lang siya kapag yung divisor mo is linear. So for example, sa quiz later, sa number 1, hindi nyo pwedeng i-apply ang synthetic division kasi naka-square to. Okay? Sa number 2 and number 3, pwede nyo i-apply kasi x plus 6, x plus 4 lang. X lang yung ibig sabihin yung highest degree mo should be 1 sa divisor. So, for example, if you have 4x plus 2, linear pa rin yun. Okay? Kahit meron kang coefficient yung x, linear pa rin yun. As long as yung degree niya is 1. Okay? Now, let's continue. Balik tayo dun sa example number 2. Okay, we have 3x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 1 over x plus 4. Okay. Using the long division, buburahin ko muna, baka hindi kasha. Using the long division method, we have 3x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 1. Okay, guys, in this case, walang kulang na term. At the same time, yung order ng ating terms is from highest degree to lowest degree. So, wala tayong nire-rearrange. Okay? But, guys, be careful dapat tama yung order. Okay, ganun din for your divisor. So, kunwari, if this is 4 plus x, kailangan mo muna siya gawing x plus 4. Okay? But in this case, x plus 4 lang naman. So, let's just write that. Okay. Again, first term divided by the first term here. So, 3x cubed divided by x, mababawasan lang ng isang x. So, again, dalawa yung terms natin. So, dito mo siya ipapantay. 3x squared. Okay, one way naman to check kung tama yung nilalagay nyo dito is if you multiply, dapat yung unang term mo nawawala. Okay? So, kunwari, plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 1 over x plus 4. Okay, let's use long division. Okay, so as I was saying earlier, in order to check kung tama yung nalalagay nyo dito, dapat when you multiply whatever yung nandito by the divisor, mawawala yung first term, okay? So dapat yung expected dito is 3x cubed yung sinasubtract ko, okay? That's one way to check. So now let's subtract this. 3x cubed divided by x, that's equal to 3x squared. Again, dito ko pinapantay kasi 2 terms yung ibabawas natin mamaya. 3x squared times x, that's 3x cubed. So, tama tayo kasi masasubtract natin to equal to 0. 3x squared times 4, that's equal to plus 12x squared. So, again, minus. So, lahat to magiging negative. Okay? So, ito magka-cancel lang. This one would be negative 12x squared. 4 minus 12, that's equal to negative 8x squared. Ibaba natin to, minus 3x. Again, first term divided by the first term. That's equal to negative 8x. Negative 8x times x, that's equal to negative 8x squared. Negative 8x times 4, that's equal to negative 32x. Okay? So, ito, again, minus. So, magiging positive, positive sila. Cancel. Negative 3x plus 32x, that's equal to 29x, right? 29x, sulat natin dito ha. 29x, paano po naging negative? Okay. So, may nagtanong, paano daw to naging negative? So, erase ko muna ha. Okay. After we multiply, itong 3x squared sa dalawa, sa x plus 4, ito yung makuha natin sagot. 3x cubed plus 12x squared. So remember, kapag naglo-long division ka sa numbers, kunwari 1, 2, 3 divided by 2, di ba nagsasubtract ka nung product nito at nito? Times, equal dito, tapos subtract mo sila. Ganun lang rin yung ginagawa natin dito. Okay? 3x squared times x plus 4, this is your answer. And then, yung buong expression, yun yung isasubtract natin sa nasa taas. So, if we distribute yung negative dito, magiging negative 3x cubed minus 12x squared. Nilagay ko lang yung negative dito. Okay? Galing dito. Nakuha na ba, Daniel? May nagtanong kasi. So, you're always subtracting. Okay? So, kaya dito rin, may negative ka. Okay? Dito, makikita nyo meron kang remainder. So, 29x divided by x, that's positive 29. Okay? So, 29, okay, wait lang, may nakalimutan akong gawin. Ibaba to, yung plus 1, so may plus 1 ka din dito. 29 times x, that's 29x. 29 times 4, that's equal to 116, sorry. 116. Okay, so again, minus, subtract this term sa nasa taas. Kakancel lang sila. 1 minus 116, that's equal to negative 115. Now, we have a remainder. So, yung remainder natin, i-add lang natin dito. And then, meron kang denominator. Ano yung magiging denominator mo dito? Kung ano yung divisor mo din. So, x over plus 4. Okay? So, ang final answer natin dito would be, okay, ang final answer natin dito, erase lang ako. Okay, rewrite lang natin na maayos. 3x squared minus 8x plus 29 minus, kasi may negative ka dito, minus 115 over x plus 4. Okay? Synthetic division muna nung sa kanina, no? So, 3x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 1 over x plus 4. Okay. So, ano ang ating coefficients? Ang ating coefficients is 3, 4, negative 3, and 1. Wala namang kulang na term dito, di ba? We have 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. So, ang ating divisor here would be x plus 4 is equal to 0. Subtract 4 from both sides, you will get x is equal to negative 4. So, ito yung magiging divisor natin. So, guys, baka may magsabi, di ma'am, sana ginawa mo na lang itong negative. Ba't ko ito pinapakita? Kasi later on, kapag meron kang coefficient dito, important na ini-equate mo siya to 0. Okay? To get your divisor. So, negative 4. Ano ulang gagawin ulit? Yung first term, ibababa lang. So, that's 3. 3 times negative 4, that's negative 12. 4 minus 12, that's equal to negative 8. Okay? Negative 8 times negative 4, that's equal to that's equal to 32, positive 32. Negative 3 plus 32 equal yan sa 29. Okay? 29 times negative 4, that's equal to negative 611. 116. Okay? 1 minus 16, may negative dyan 1 minus 16, 116, sorry. That's equal to negative 115. So again, itong unang term dito is your remainder. This one is your constant. Ito x raised to 1, x raised to 2. Okay? So ayan lang yung coefficients ng ating variables. So we will have 3x squared minus 8x. Hindi ko na isulat yung 1. And then plus 29. Okay, since remainder ito, i-divide mo siya by your denominator, x plus 4. Minus 115 over x plus 4. Okay, pareho ba yung sagot natin from earlier? Same lang, di ba? Okay, so either method, makuha niyo yung tama sagot. Depende na lang sa inyo kung saan kayo comfortable. Okay, nadi-disregard po ba yung rule na i-change yung sign kapag minus tas negative yung second number? Guys, anong pinapalitan nyo na sign? Wala tayong pinapalitan na sign. Okay, nakuha ko na. Sa long division, nagsasubtract ka. Okay? Nakuha nyo? Dito, hindi ka nagsasubtract. You just add them. Add this one, add this one, add this one, add this one. Okay? You're adding these terms. So, bale, ang ginagawa mo dito is fina-follow mo lang yung rules sa integers. Okay? So, positive plus negative, you just subtract them and follow yung sign. Okay? So, you're adding here. Sa long division, o yung typical natin na pag-divide ng numbers, nagsasubtract ka always. Okay? So, I guess nasagot na yung tanong. Sorry, hindi ko nakuha agad yung tinatanong mo. 4x raised to 4. Ang sulat yan. 4x raised to 4 minus 15x cubed minus 28x squared plus 6x plus 3. 4x plus 1. Okay, so this time may coefficient siya. I-try natin ng long division. Okay. 4x raised to 4 minus 15x cubed minus 28x squared plus 6x plus 3. Okay. First term divided by the first term, 4x raised to 4 divided by 4x. Ang sagot is x cubed, right? X cubed times 4x plus 1, that would be 4x raised to 4 plus x cubed. Subtract natin siya. 15 minus 1, negative 16x cubed. Baba natin to, minus 28x squared. 16x cubed divided by 4x, negative 16x cubed divided by 4x, that's equal to minus 4x squared. Okay? Negative 4x squared times 4x, that's negative 16x cubed. Times 1 lang, so minus 4x squared. Again, subtract dito. Cancel lang. This one would become negative 24x squared. Okay, ibaba natin itong 6x plus 6x. 24, negative 24x squared divided by 4x, that's equal to negative 6x. Right? Dito natin siya isulat. Negative 24x squared plus 6x. Negative 6x times 4x, that's equal to negative 24x squared. Tapos, negative 6x lang yan. That's equal to parang, okay, subtract again. So, this one, magka-cancel lang. This one, 6x. Ito magiging positive. So, 12x. Ibaba natin to. Okay, we have plus 3. 12x divided by 4x, that's equal to 3. Okay? So, 3 times 4x plus 1, that's equal to 12x plus 3. Subtract natin to, equal lang sila. So, 0. Wala tayong remainder dito. Our answer here is x cubed minus 4x squared minus 6x plus 3. Naka-follow ba? Now, let's try synthetic division. 4x raised to 4 minus 15x cubed minus 28x squared plus 6x plus 3. Tama naman ba? Pareho sa kanina. 4x plus 1. So, sulat natin ang ating coefficients. May kulang ba tayo na term? Wala. 4, 3, 2, 1, and ito x raised to 0. So, wala tayong kulang na term. So, 4, negative 15, negative 28, plus 6, 3. Huwag ka na isulat yung plus. Alright. Now, ano yung divisor natin dito? 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So, let's get the value of x. That would be x is equal to negative 1/4. Okay, lahat ba alam kung paano ito ginagawa? Anyway, ibabalikan din naman natin yan. So, subtract lang ng 1 from both sides and then divide both sides by 4. You will get x is equal to negative 1/4. So again, yung una, bababa lang. 4 times negative 1 over 4, that's equal to negative 1. Okay? Add mo silang dalawa, that's equal to negative 16. This one times this one, ang sagot would be positive 4. Negative 28 plus 4, that's equal to negative 24. Okay? And then, asan ako? Negative 24 times this one, that's positive 6. Add mo silang dalawa, that's 12. 12 divided by this one, that's negative 3. Add mo silang dalawa, that's equal to 0. Okay, so guys, hindi pa ito yung sagot. And as mapapansin nyo, hindi naman ito yung sagot natin sa kanina. Okay? What you're gonna do here is, kung ano man yung denominator mo dito, i-divide mo silang lahat by that. Okay, so over 4, over 4, over 4, over 4. Okay? This one would become 1, negative 4, negative 6, 12 over 4, that's equal to 3. Ito, 0 pa rin. So, ang remainder natin is 0. Ang ating constant is 3. Ito ang ating x. Ito ang ating x squared. Ito naman ang ating x cubed. Okay, so our final answer here is x cubed minus 4x squared minus 6x plus 3. Okay, nakafollow naman ba? Kaya yung sagutan nito, actually, relatively mas madali na to. So, I guess magdadagdag ako ng isang example after this. Okay, so try this one, guys. Saglit lang, guys, ha. Kopyahin nyo muna to. This is number 4. 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 2x minus 15 divided by 2x minus 3.